pretty cool helmet, but that's just not going to do it, is it? Hey, welcome to RC3D. I'm Ryan. I made this helmet a while ago and I'm not happy with the finish on it. I want to completely redo the whole thing, so I'm going to re-primer it. I'm going to hopefully get it to a point where I'm fairly satisfied and I can move on, because I keep looking at it and it's just bothering me, you know. So it's got a floppy front, it's got a right flop. I'm thinking about putting some more elastic on this so it isn't so floppy, and I want to put some lights in the eyes as well, like blue lights. Let's just crack on and see how this turns out by the end. Yeah, if I hold that there, look, that's just floppy. It's a cool helmet though. Could do with a grey wig as well, putting on the inside. Do you know what this thing is? There's something in here that's digging into my nose. I think I found it. God, that's painful, that is. Yeah, anyway, I don't know if I've got a mark there. I think I have a bit of a red mark. Oh yeah, it's a helmet. I need to put some foam in this as well. Yeah, let's just go.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just open up. Don't be scared. To my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just open up. Don't be scared.
Alright, so that's the Lich King helmet from World of Warcraft. I enjoyed redoing this helmet. Yeah, I went a little bit all out. I added lights into the eyes and just a cheap wig I got off Amazon. So you saw in the video, I filler primered the whole thing to kind of put it back to scratch, and then did a white gloss on the whole thing, and then I did a chrome and then airbrushed on black because I wanted that chrome to kind of come through. I wanted the black to be a little bit uneven, almost like hammered steel or iron kind of appearance, and also it's got a cold metal kind of appearance as well. When I did the ice on the helmet, I did that, you saw in the video, I did that with hot glue, a little bit of very watered down blue, very almost, yeah, very watery blue. Dabbed it with a towel just to get most of it off, and then I went on with a slightly dry brush but of white, but I ended up going a little bit heavier. Yeah, it's wearable, so I'll put that on. I think it looks pretty good. I think it fits well. I think I could do with a little bit, I don't know, I might heat gun a little bit on the inside just to, there's quite a lot of pressure around here on the cheekbones. I mean, it's not a lot, but I can imagine if I was wearing this helmet for a couple of hours, that's going to get uncomfortable. But yeah, let me know what you think. Blast that like button, subscribe to stay up to date and support my channel. Every subscription means a lot to me. Thank you to all my current subscribers, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.